So if we want to go ahead and install the AWS CLI, there are instructions that AWS provides you based on what operating system you're using, whether it's Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. So here's an example for Linux, but really make sure you check the documentation for the installation. If you want to update, here's an example of performing an update for Linux. I just want to make the point that if you do install the CLI, please do not use third-party installation tools because they are not maintained by AWS. Even if they are and they say official, what I've found is that when you've installed them, they will not be the most up-to-date version of the CLI, and then you're going to get errors that's going to stress you out. So here, this says official, but it's not actually officially maintained by AWS, so this one is very misleading. So I just really want to point that out there. And again, this is dependent on what CLI tool you're using, but for AWS, do not install third-party tools with Brew or any other package manager. Install it directly from the code, okay?